The air quality inside our homes is approximately 3 times worse than the air outdoors. Most people spend 70% of their time indoors, and air quality is a major factor to consider for your family's health and safety. For example, an average 1,000 square foot house collects up to 40 pounds of dust, dirt, and allergens in a year. All of these particles will begin to circulate through your home anytime you turn on the ventilation system. Having your ducts cleaned will ensure your family is living in a healthier home. That's why we have invested into the newest technologies on the market. Our powerful equipment can clean even the largest HVAC systems and will provide our clients with quality results. Once your ductwork has been inspected by one of our technicians and they have assessed the need for cleaning, we will clean your entire HVAC system. We remove and clean all registers, clean supply and return ducts, main trunk, air handler, and other accessible components. No part of your system is overlooked. After a full system cleaning, the ductwork is disinfected using the antimicrobial treatment that is fogged into your system. In addition to improving your home's air quality, you may also want to consider the cost efficiency of running a poorly functioning HVAC system. As soon as your ducts are full of dirt, your HVAC system has to work much harder, burning more energy and costing you more money. We can also clean your dryer vent to increase the efficiency of your dryer and prevent home fires. We recommend a professional inspection of your whole HVAC system once every 2 years to ensure your ducts function properly and that your indoor air quality is healthy and safe for your family. Inspections are free of charge, and it is totally up to our clients to decide if or when they would like to go ahead with the cleaning.